Hey everyone, I'm Cody and this is Lloyd, and we just closed on our very first house flip together.
We're taking this place from outdated and worn out to modern fresh and move-in ready.
We'll be sharing every step, the wins, the challenges, and all the behind the scenes so you can see what goes into a real house flip.
Make sure you follow along because this transformation is going to be insane.
Insane.
This property was purchased for $170,000 and we're planning to invest about $80,000 into renovations. From the exterior updates to the full interior transformation, our goal is to completely modernize this home and maximize its value.
On the exterior of the house here, you can see it has a dark brown siding, light trim, and a stone base. It's in decent shape overall, but it's dated and it doesn't really stand out.
We're going to start by pressure washing everything and getting it prepped for paint. The plan is to go with a clean, modern look, all white paint across the siding, sharp black trim to break it up, and then the doors and garage door will also be painted black for contrast. Once it's finished up, this house is going to have a completely different curb appeal and really pop from the street.
Coming around to the back of the house here, this area had a ton of overgrown weeds and vines on the brick and wooden siding behind me. We've already worked on clearing that out and this area is already starting to look a lot different.
Our next step is to really transform this space by adding a deck right off the back door, which is going to create a nice outdoor living area. We'll also be cleaning up the rest of the overgrown landscaping so the backyard feels open and inviting. Once it's all finished, this space will look completely different and really add the overall appeal to the house. Over on the side of the house, we've got this porch area. Right now, the roof is in bad shape and needs to be completely rebuilt. The concrete is dirty and the space overall just looks neglected. Our plan here is to tear out and rebuild the roof structure, pressure wash and clean up all of the concrete, and then paint the brick white to tie it into the new look of the home. Once it's done, this is going to be a really nice porch area that adds usable outdoor space and a lot of character to the house. Out back, we have a concrete pad with an old basketball hoop. We're going to clean this area up, put on a brand new backboard and rim, which will make it a great little spot to shoot hoops and add some fun to the backyard.
All right, let's take you inside and show you exactly what we're working with and exactly what we're planning. As you walk in the front door here, you have your main living space. We're going to take out this old tile ceiling, put new drywall, run can lights throughout. We're going to reskim the walls with fresh paint, 5-inch baseboard throughout the whole living space, and new LVP flooring. This wall behind me here is going to be completely knocked out and open straight up from the living space into the kitchen. We're also going to update the electrical in here as well. Let's move on to the kitchen and talk about what we're going to do in there.
This is the kitchen. Follow me. We're going to remove all these cabinets throughout the kitchen. We're going to remove the soffits. We're going to redo the drywall wherever we need. Fresh paint, can lights throughout, 4-inch. Over here, we're going to remove these walls. We're going to add an island. We're going to have white shaker cabinets throughout. That's going to wrap around these walls here with brand new appliance, a fridge here, stove here, dishwasher over here. We're going to have a new farm-style sink with a gold faucet with gold hardware for the cabinets to match. If you follow me this way, in here, we're going to remove the wallpaper, skim the walls, new drywall over here, fix the plumbing where we need it, fresh paint throughout. We're going to have a new exhaust fan, new vanity light, new mirror. We're going to do a 24-inch vanity, new toilet. We're going to remove this and add in a corner unit with tile.
And to the right of the bathroom you guys just saw, we have this room here. This used to be the laundry room. It's no longer the laundry room. We're going to redo the drywall on the wall and the ceilings. We're going to do fresh paint, 5-inch baseboard throughout, new LVP flooring. We're going to take this wall, we're going to seal it and repaint it. Follow me through this way. We have this room as well. In this room, we still have some cleaning out to do. We're going to get all this stuff out of here. We're going to seal this wall, repaint it, do new LVP flooring throughout, 5-inch baseboard, and new doors as you transition into the garage. Follow me. In here, we have our massive 2-car garage. We're gonna redo the floors, proxy. We're gonna do new drywall, new paint on the ceiling and walls. We're gonna get a new garage door opener. We're gonna paint that door and paint this garage door black. Upstairs here, we're gonna finish off the walls with fresh paint, new baseboard, and LVP flooring, just like downstairs. If you follow me around this way, we have master bedroom. This bedroom's getting all new flooring, paint, ceiling, baseboard, new closets, new doors, updated electrical. Same thing in these 2 rooms back here. If you look to the left, you got room number 2. And to the left side here, we have room number 3. Same thing applies to all 3 of the rooms.
Now follow us into the bathroom where we're going to gut this whole thing. We will remove the wallpaper and float out the walls with new paint, a new exhaust fan for the ceiling. We're going to update the sconces to a regular vanity light, new mirror, 24-inch to a 30-inch vanity, brand new toilet will come in here. Of course, LVP continue throughout the whole house with new baseboards. Here at the tub area, we're going to put in a new bathtub with tile to the ceiling with gold faucet and a gold shower head to trim out the bathroom. Now follow us into this laundry room where we're going to gut this whole thing. Of course, you're going to have your washer and dryer. We're going to put in a wash box, finish out the flooring, new drywall where we needed, fresh paint, fresh baseboards. We're going to put cabinets over the washer and dryer so you have a room for storage. We're going to change out the hardware to match throughout the whole house, which is black. For our doorknobs, we're going to put new 6-panel doors throughout the entire house as well, and fresh electrical. Now, if you follow us in here, this is just in an office with fresh paint, LVP flooring throughout the whole house. Then we got the baseboard like we planned, the 6-panel closet doors. We have that beautiful view if you want to check that out. And then follow us into this massive room here. Figure this would be your type of dining room, sitting room off the backyard here. You got this gorgeous French storage. We'll remove all this on the ceiling, fresh drywall with can lights throughout the whole house. Baseboards look decent, so we'll touch up those, fix all the drywall. There's a bunch of imperfections that we got to take care of. LVP flooring, like we said, let's just continue throughout the entire project. And I think that's about it on this project.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below.
And we'll see you in the next one.